We're back with another Frequently Asked Questions Friday video, and the topic of this video this week is going to be why did we choose to call our firm Cardinal Estate Planning? But before we get to that question, it's an extremely important week this week because Sunday is Mother's Day. So I'd like to wish all the mothers out there and grandmothers out there a very happy Mother's Day, and thank you for all that you do. And of course, I'd like to give a special shout out to my own mom, Kathy, and to my wife, Kirsten. I really appreciate all that you can do. I love you, and I just wouldn't be able to be where we are here today without you. So thank you for all that you do for our family. So sort of in relation to Mother's Day, is the topic of why we chose to name the firm Cardinal. So I get this question a lot, and I address it in the workshops. So if you've been to one of our workshops, you've probably already heard this. But the reasoning is I wanted to make sure that we were building a team here at Cardinal. And so I didn't want it to be just about me or any of the attorneys, quite frankly. I just wanted to make sure that we were spreading the message that this is a team approach to law practice, elder law practice, estate planning practice. So I knew I didn't want to use my name. So then it left me with trying to come up with some other item, some other name. And the word cardinal stood out to me because it means important. So the cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. And I tend to think that estate planning is important, of course, as an estate planning attorney of more than 10 years. So I thought that that really conveyed the message that we were going for. But there's also a deeper meaning to this, as most of you may already know, or if you have come to a workshop, you certainly do know. And that is that my grandmother, named Celie Jacko, who passed away many years ago, was the cardinal lady or the cardinal person. So if we didn't know what to get for her for any particular holiday, her birthday or Christmas, we would get her something that was related to cardinals. She had the cardinal sweatshirts and the ornaments and things in her house because she just loved those red male cardinals. And one of the central tenets to our firm here is that we treat our clients like they're our family as well. So we want to always be asking ourselves, is this what we would do for our own family? Because that's the way that we want you to feel when you come here. And also that's the way that we want to approach working with our clients. And so we hope that all of our clients feel that energy from us. And so one of the things that Celie used to say fairly frequently was, if my family doesn't do what I want them to do, then I will come back and I will haunt them. And so she's a good representation of what we want to do here, because she's kind of always hanging over us, and if we don't adhere to this mission that we have, then quite frankly I'm a little afraid that she'll come back and haunt me because I believed her when she said that. So in addition to that, over the years when people have been signing documents in the office, that's been a common comment that I've heard from people. Well, my family will do what I want them to do, or else I'll come back and I'll haunt them. So it always reminds me of her, and it's sort of a nice tie-in with Cardinal as well. So once again, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I hope you have a great day on Sunday. And special shout out to my mother, my wife, and also my grandmother, Dolores. Thank you for all that you've done for our family. Thanks.